Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 18 from the Consortium Group 2 2014 paper. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more work solutions for this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Consider this question. The number 8 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 4 and 8, which is the first number greater than 10 to have exactly 4 factors. We can devise a methodical way of going about this question. Let's write down a few numbers to try out. Let's go for 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. We can always try out more numbers if these ones don't work out. We know that the number in question cannot be prime. As you may recall from class, prime numbers only have 2 factors. These are 1 and itself. This eliminates 11, 13, and 17 from our list. Now let's move on to trying out our other numbers. We know that 12 is divisible by 2 as it is an even number, and it's also divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits 1 and 2 is equal to 3. We also know that 12 is divisible by 6 because the number is both even and divisible by 3. It's divisible by 1 and itself, as all numbers are, and it is also divisible by 4, as 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. This means that 12 has exactly 6 factors. Make sure you're not caught out here. The question is asking for a number to have exactly 4 factors, not at least 4 factors, meaning that 12 is also not the number we are looking for. Now for the next number on our list, which is 14. 14 is an even number, meaning it is divisible by 2 and 7, as 2 multiplied by 7 gives us 14. The sum of the digits add up to 5, meaning it's not divisible by 3 nor 6. It is also, of course, divisible by 1 and itself, as we discussed, all numbers are. We know that 14 is not divisible by 4, and it is not divisible by 5 either, as a unit is not 0 or 5. This means that the number 14 has exactly 4 factors, 2, 7, 1, and 14. Therefore, our answer is 14. Now you may have noticed that 15 also has exactly 4 factors. This is again why we should ensure that we know exactly what the question is asking. We have identified 2 numbers above 10 with exactly 4 factors. These are 14 and 15. The key word in the question here is first. We need to identify the first number above 10 to have exactly 4 factors, which means that our answer of 14 is correct. Now moving on to the second part of the question. Write down any number less than 20 which has exactly 3 factors. This question is slightly trickier. Your first thought might be that an odd number of factors is impossible. Surely it should be even, as factors come in pairs. But we need to remember that if a number is a square, then it has an odd number of factors. This is because a square number is a number which is the product of another number multiplied by itself. For example, 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. 2 is only in the factor list once, however, as you cannot include the same number twice. So we have concluded that our answer must be a square. We also know that our number must be a square of a prime, as it only has 3 factors. These are 1 itself and the square factor. We can pick any number under 20 which is a square of a prime. These include 9 and 4. The factors of 9 are 3, 1, and 9, as 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 and 1 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9. And the factors of 4 are 4, 2, and 1. The 2 is a square factor, and 4 multiplied by 1, of course, gives us 4. Therefore, our answer could be 9 or 4. Last but not least, part C. Some numbers have only 2 factors. What is the special name given to this type of number? It may help you to write down some numbers with only 2 factors. We've already discussed this in the video. We know that there are 2 set factors that apply for all numbers. This is 1 and the number itself. Can you recall the name of the number that only has those factors? That's right. Prime numbers are only divisible by 1 and itself, making the answer prime numbers. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to build on your knowledge of factors and prime numbers. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.